Hey guys, good morning. Tony here. I wanted to update you guys on PLTR and where do I think it's moving. Like I told you guys before, I did think that the 23 range, 24 range was actually the bottom, and I still think I'm right. I still think we're gonna go to the upside. Kind of shitting my pants a little bit. Not really shitting my pants, but I'm worried because I sold some PLTR calls expiring this week for $25. So if PLTR is actually over $25, by Friday, that means that I have to sell all of my shares, or 400 shares actually, for $25, which I don't want to, right? But I mean, if I do end up selling these, I mean, I'm completely fine with it. Just because I'll keep my 33 shares of PLTR just for the fuck of it. But I was planning on taking out like 10K from my regular, from Robinhood account, and putting that into my Forex account, because that's where I usually do most of my trading and my actual trading, not my options or swing trading like I do over here on Robinhood and stuff. And but I was planning on taking this money out anyways, because I'm gonna put it into another bigger position where I'm personally growing my money a little bit more, right? But yeah, PLTR going up. I still think it's going to be going up. The only reason I'm a little bit scared is because I do think PLTR is going to end the week over $25, which I don't want. I want PLTR to end under $25 so I can keep my shares. I can sell, with a little bit more profit and kind of be good. So just a quick update on my PLTR position. I'll see you guys later. I'll probably do a little bit more updates, throughout the day and stuff. I'll see you guys later.